Alright guys, so let me show you my little invention which will make your life much easier with installation of the Polarstar F2 engine. But quick little introduction to the problem first. So when you would install the Polarstar F2 engine inside your gearbox, often you would have this play. And basically the engine sometimes really rattle inside, or there is quite a lot of back and forward play. This is really bad as it compromises the air seal between your bucking and the nozzle. So there are a couple solutions, and one thing would be just a simple electrical tape. Just tape it around here, 1 or 2 layers maybe. Do not cover the holes though. Place your engine inside, screw it, and it should clamp the engine enough so it doesn't move. This doesn't ensure the back and forward play. So you could also make 2 holes here, add 2 grub screws, which will push against these, I don't know, little pins, and will make sure that the engine is forward as possible. Or you can print out these 2 simple prints. Basically it's just an additional shell to the engine, and here one in the back. Place your engine inside, and as you can see here, it's mimicking a classic cylinder where the back portion is moving the engine as forward as possible. So when I place it inside fully, you can see that the engine is not moving at all, and this way we also ensure that the nozzle is as forward as possible so it can have a full contact with the hop-up bucking. Just to quick test this, if I'm gonna push the hop-up bucking against at the very end, I should feel a very light pressure against. So yeah, this little kit is free to download. So if you have a 3D printer or your friend has a 3D printer, get this. It's like 15 minutes print. I do recommend printing this in with a 0.2 nozzle, just to ensure that it is as precise as possible. 0.4 nozzles kind of works as well, but the shell will be slightly bigger than desired. But yeah, so hopefully this will help you with installing the engine in your replica and will ensure much better consistency. I will attach the files into the description, so hopefully you'll like it, and if you have any comments or questions, just let me know.